Chile is a country of breathtaking landscapes and bold flavors, where Andean traditions, Spanish influences, and coastal ingredients combine to create an amazing cuisine. From rich stews and fresh seafood to sweet delights, Chilean food is diverse, comforting, and packed with flavor. Today, we are counting down the top 20 most popular dishes in Chile, exploring their origins, ingredients, and cultural significance. Which Chilean dish is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food explorations. Now let's get started. 20. Pan amasado. A traditional homemade bread, pan amasado is soft inside and slightly crispy outside. It's often baked in clay ovens and served with pibre, Chilean salsa, or butter. 19. Caldillo de congrio. A rich seafood soup made with conger eel, potatoes, onions, and garlic, often enjoyed in coastal towns. The dish was famously celebrated in a poem by Pablo Neruda. 18. Pastel de choclo. Chilean corn pie, made with a sweet corn puree filled with seasoned ground beef, onions, black olives, boiled eggs, and raisins. Baked until golden brown, it's a must-try comfort food. 17. Humitas. Similar to Mexican tamales, humitas are made from ground corn, butter, and spices, wrapped in corn husks and steamed. They can be sweet or savory. 16. Churrasco Italiano. A beloved Chilean sandwich featuring thinly sliced grilled steak topped with avocado, mayonnaise, and tomato. Its colors resemble the Italian flag. 15. Mote con huesilo. A refreshing summer drink made from sweet caramelized peach juice mixed with cooked wheat kernels. Mote. It's both a snack and a drink. 14. Charquicán. A rustic, hearty stew made with pumpkin, potatoes, ground beef, corn, and green beans. Traditionally, it was prepared using charqui, dried meat. 13. Cazuela. A traditional Chilean soup made with chicken or beef, potatoes, pumpkin, corn, and rice. It's comforting and packed with nutrients, perfect for cold days. 12. Chapalele. A potato-based bread, originally from Chiloé, often served with curanto, Chilean seafood stew. It's chewy and can be either sweet or savory. 11. Corillana. A hearty bar food favorite. Corillana is a plate of French fries topped with beef strips, onions, and fried eggs. It's perfect for sharing with friends. 10. Lomo a lo pobre. A classic Chilean dish featuring a grilled beef steak served with French fries, caramelized onions, and fried eggs. A rich and filling meal. 9. Pebre. A spicy Chilean salsa made from tomatoes, cilantro, onions, garlic, and chili peppers, served with bread or grilled meats. Every household has its own version. 8. Completo. Chile's take on a hot dog, the completo is topped with avocado, mayonnaise, tomato, and sauerkraut, making it larger and more flavorful than American hot dogs. 7. Empanadas de pino. These savory turnovers are filled with ground beef, onions, black olives, raisins, and a boiled egg, then baked or fried. 6. Curanto. A traditional dish from Chiloé, curanto is a seafood and meat feast cooked underground with hot stones, featuring mussels, clams, pork, chicken, and potatoes. 5. Sopa y pillas. A fried pumpkin-based dough, sopa y pillas are eaten either savory, with pibre, or sweet, coated in honey or chancaca syrup. A popular street food snack. 4. Porotos granados. A traditional bean stew made with cranberry beans, corn, pumpkin, and basil, often eaten during summer harvest season. 3. Ceviche. Chile's version of ceviche uses fresh raw fish marinated in lime juice, onions, and cilantro, often with a touch of ginger for extra flavor. 2. Milcao. A crispy potato pancake from Chiloé, made by mixing grated raw and cooked potatoes, then fried or baked. It pairs perfectly with Chilean stews. 1. Asado, Chilean barbecue. The king of Chilean gatherings, asado is a grill feast featuring beef, pork, lamb, and sausages, often seasoned only with salt and cooked over wood or charcoal. That's our list of the top 20 most popular Chilean dishes. From juicy grilled meats to sweet sopaipillas, Chile's cuisine is a blend of flavors, traditions, and regional influences. Which dish is your favorite? Did we miss any must-try Chilean foods? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe for more delicious food videos. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next food adventure.